Alright, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. I'm going to talk about the next couple of days severe weather potential here on the East Coast, and also a coastal low that may affect the Carolinas and parts of Virginia for the weekend coming up, especially during the late part of the weekend. So let's start with the synoptic map. We have a low pressure system out here in South Dakota. You have your cold front draped down and your warm front draped here across Kentucky, parts of North Carolina, and parts of Tennessee. What will happen during the day on Wednesday, we're going to get the warm front starting to come across the area. That will be the trigger for thunderstorms with hail and damaging wind to be the main threat. Tornadoes can't be ruled out, especially along the warm front, as we will have changes in wind with height with that. The low pressure's back here over the section of Michigan. You can see another low trying to develop as it moves off the coastline for Friday, and you see a secondary low come in here. So Thursday is going to be our Wednesday and Thursday is going to be our main threat here for severe weather, and we'll show you that in a minute. Get that coastal low developing, which would also help change winds with height. It could be interesting, as you see here. Some of the showers and thunderstorms push south. The low redevelops, gets a little gusty in parts of Virginia and parts of North Carolina. But this thing's going to actually move to the southwest. Odd way to move in. The high pressure to the north would be too strong to let it move anywhere different. So this could be some tropical. We don't know at this point. But anywhere along the southeast coast, you need to kind of watch this as it meanders around, and this high pressure once again warms up the atmosphere and tries to block the next front from coming in. But the front will eventually, second front will eventually come in and affect us by the time we get to Wednesday of next week. More disturbances right along it, means more showers and thunderstorms, and as you see by next Friday, we want the same difference going into Saturday, as this front will then exit the area. Storm Prediction Center. Right now, we'll take a look at what's currently going on for the next couple hours, and then we'll get further into the next 2 days. Right now, we have a situation with severe weather potential over the northern parts of the plain states right now, which would include areas such as the Dakotas with marginal risk, and a severe weather potential here in parts of Texas and Oklahoma, but the main part here in Kansas, Iowa, up to Minnesota. Like I said, we're going to continue on to a day 2, which is tomorrow, and we're going to see the day on Wednesday come up here. That threat will move into Ohio, Kentucky, Illinois, on the eastern parts, and Indiana, parts of Michigan, and parts of Wisconsin, including Cincinnati, Cleveland, Indianapolis, Louisville. And the marginal risk will be beyond that, going back into Oklahoma, another slight risk area in northern Montana. Both would trigger the possibility of tornadic activity. This would then move in overnight and into the day on Thursday for the Roanoke region and parts of the East Coast. As you see here, West Virginia, Roanoke, Lynchburg, up to Charlottesville. That's going to be your main threat area for severe weather, and that will continue into your day on Thursday before Friday comes along and this thing tries to start clearing of the coastline. So damaging winds, and this also marginal risk, I would see that probably going a little further north, and this may expand totally into the Carolinas and Virginia, depending on timing and how it goes. But be on the lookout for damaging winds as your main threat, but isolated tornadoes can't be ruled out. That'll be Wednesday and Thursday here in the Mid-Atlantic. We'll talk to you again soon. Meteorologist Dean Davison. Thanks for watching. Have a great one.